3 smart outlets plus 2 USB ports. Support 5 appliances simultaneously with 3 independently controllable smart outlets and 2 always-on USB ports. Ideal for charging devices in the home and office. Voice control. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Free up your hands by using voice commands to control plugged-in devices. Surge protection. ETL-certified surge protection shields sensitive electronics and appliances from sudden power surges. Control from anywhere. Use the intuitive Kasa Smart app to remotely control connected devices through your mobile device. Set schedules and timers. Create schedules, timers to turn individual outlets on/off at specific times to increase efficiency and save money on your power bill. Simple setup. Download the Kasa Smart app, Android, iOS, plug in your smart power strip and connect to Wi-Fi to start controlling your devices. Top reviews from the United States. Functional for specific uses. I needed a setup that in the long run would be able to turn on and off my external hard drives, and a table lamp that sits behind my desk. I have several other TP-linked Kasa Smart products, so that was one less app to have. I have never had a problem with integration or functionality with Kasa products. I ended up using one of the plugs for my wife's work laptop, but as you can see, there is quite a bit of space between each outlet. That provides more flexibility on what you want to plug in. Adequately spaced outlets for potential larger plugs. If you have multi-devices to plug in that you want smart access to, this is better than buying a normal power strip or surge protector and then buying additional smart plugs to plug into them, i.e. buy a 6-outlet strip, only to have 3 individual smart plugs taking up all 6 spots on the strip.